Did you know that thousands of engineering students graduate every year, but only a small percentage get placed in good companies? The biggest reason is not lack of degrees. It's lack of industry-relevant skills. In this video, I'll share the top skills that can help freshers get hired faster in 2026. Whether you're from CSE, IT, EC, EEE, ECI, mechanical, or any engineering branch. Let's get started. The first skill is communication. Many students focus only on technical subjects and ignore communication. But during interviews, recruiters evaluate how confidently you explain your ideas. Practice speaking English daily. Participate in presentations, group discussions, and mock interviews. Remember, even if you know the answer, poor communication can cost you the job. The second skill is programming. For software roles, learn at least one language thoroughly. Java, Python, or C++ are excellent choices. Focus on variables and data types, loops and conditions, functions, object-oriented programming, file handling. Companies don't expect you to know everything, but they expect strong fundamentals. The third skill is DSA. Most product-based companies like Infosys, TCS Digital, Accenture, Amazon, and others ask coding questions. Learn arrays, strings, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, sorting, and searching. Even solving one problem daily can make a huge difference over time. The fourth skill is project building. A resume with projects stands out. For example, weather app, chat application, e-commerce website, IoT home automation, machine learning projects, embedded systems projects. Projects prove that you can apply knowledge to solve real-world problems. The fifth skill is learning AI tools. Today's companies value productivity. Learn tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Gemini, Claude. Use them for coding assistance, research, documentation, and learning. Those who know how to work with AI will have an advantage. The sixth skill is Git and GitHub. Many students ignore this, but companies expect candidates to know version control, repository management, branching, collaboration. Upload your projects to GitHub and create a professional portfolio. The final skill is interview preparation. Practice HR questions, technical questions, aptitude, resume. Explanation. A good candidate with poor interview skills often gets rejected. Preparation builds confidence. So, if you want to get hired faster in 2026, focus on these 7 skills: communication, programming, DSA, projects, AI tools, Git and GitHub, interview preparation. Start learning today and stay consistent. Success doesn't come from talent alone. It comes from continuous improvement. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to SPG Edu Vibes for jobs, internships, career guidance, and engineering roadmaps. See you in the next video.